All right, now let's destroy this one. It says insert 4 terms between 5 and 22.5 to form an arithmetic progression. Okay? Insert 4 terms between 4. So basically, let's make that an arithmetic progression. We would have it as 5, comma, we'll call it T2, comma, T3, comma, T4, comma, T5, and then comma 22.5. So now we know that these 22.5, if we've put 4 terms, can you see the 4 terms we've put? This is going to be our T1 and this is going to be our T6. Okay? Once we have it like this, we can find everything. It's like we've been told that the first term is this, the sixth term, find the rest. So, we can do it. Remember that to get the arithmetic, to get any other term, we need A and D, right? So it's going to be very easy. So I can say that T1, which is equal to A, is equal to 5. Okay? I'm done. Then I can now say that term number 6, because this, of course, will be term number 6, right? Term number 6, which is equal to A, term number 6 is equal to A plus 5D. Is that true? Because Tn, you can first put it to say Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D, which is 1 less than the other one, right? So I can say that term number 6 is equal to A plus 5D, right? And what is my term number 6? 22.5. So I can say that 22.5 is equal to A plus 5D. And what is my A? My A is a 5, so I just need D now. So I can say 22.5 is equal to 5 plus 5D. Okay? Then I take this 5, which is adding to the other side. I have 22.5 minus 5 is equal to 5D. Can now put it in the calculator. 22.5 minus 5, I'll get 17.5. So 17.5 is equal to 5D. And D will be 17.5 over 5. This is going to give me D. So I'll say this 17.5 divided by 5, I'll get 3.5 equal to D. So I now know my D is 3.5 and my A is 5. Okay? So I can say that A is equal to 5 and then D is equal to 3.5. Okay? Then now I can find the rest of the terms. T2, T3, T4, and T5, the 4 terms which I have input between these two. So I can say now, term number 2, okay? Term number 2 is equal to A plus n minus 1, which is just 1D, okay? Remember, you can write it again to say Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1D. Then from there, you start putting all the missing ones. So term 2 is A plus 1D, okay, because it will be 2 minus 1, which is 1. Then I have it as term number 2 is equal to, what's my A? 5, plus what's my D? 3.5. And I have my term number 2 as 5 plus 3.5, you get 8.5. So my term number 2 is 8.5. Then I can go ahead, skip 2 lines. Remember, leave some space, make it neat. Okay, I'm going to have to actually make this neater. Taking it down here. Term number 3 is now what? Term number 3 is A plus 2D, which is going to be equal to, what is my A above there? 5 plus 2 times D, 2 by 3.5. Okay, which is going to be 5 plus 2 by 3.5 is 7. Okay, you can put it 7 plus 5 is 12. So my term number 3 is 12. Then I go to term number 4. It is equal to A plus 3D. And this is going to be equal to A plus, what is my A? Is 5, sorry, plus 3 by 3.5. So A by 3 by 3.5. Okay, and here I'll say 5 plus 3 by 3.5, you should get 10.5, which when you add 5, you get 15.5. Then we go to term number 5. It's the 4th term which they want us to do. It's A plus 4D, which is going to be 5 plus 4 by 3.5. Okay, and 4 by 3.5 gives you 14. So it's 5 plus 14, and this gives you 19. So here we can have the arithmetic progression with our 4 numbers which we've been asked to insert. And what will be those 4 numbers? They say between 8.5 and 22.5. Look it up, between 5 and 22.5. So it'll be 5, okay, you have it as 5, 8.5. Look at the point. The point is a dot. That's the point. That's the comma now in maths. This comma is the grammar one which separates numbers. So it'll be, what is the term number 3? It is 12. So we have it as now 12, comma. Then the next one was 15.5. Then comma, the next one was 19. Then the last one is 22.5. Okay? And we have the whole thing. And here it is. We are done. Goodbye. See you in the next one.